Welcome back to our Teams, Microsoft Teams Better Practice Learning menu. In this section, we are looking at one of the newer features of Microsoft Teams, which is called Classwork. Classwork allows you a new way to look at and to structure tasks and resources for students. So again, if we're looking at a pedagogy first approach, and we want to make sure that work is very well structured and sequenced for our students, this classwork feature provides a way to do that. Um, we're probably going to be a little bit selective in terms of the way that we use it, just because it's not possible really to have a module, which is what they call the sections in classwork, for every single thing that we're doing in class, because our classwork is going to get quite cluttered pretty quickly. But if there is a particular item that we're working on, we can use these modules to really effectively structure and sequence work and resources for our students. So I've created a demo one just to show you what it might look like. So this is a digital technologies task around digital citizenship and online safety. So I've got a description and I've got some kind of success criteria there. And what I've done is I have done a number or created a number of tasks that I want students to complete. So once you've created the module, you can attach items and resources to it. So you can attach a file. So I've got a think before you post fact sheet here, which is a PDF, which I want students first to go ahead and read. Then I've got a YouTube video that I want them to watch. So I'm thinking, this might be great for, upper primary if you've got you're away for the day and you've got a supply teacher and you say, right, I want students to work through this module in classwork. They're going to watch a video. I can link it to a particular channel. So on the Wonderwall channel, I want them to discuss one way that they can make online spaces kinder. If I click that, it'll take them straight to the Wonderwall. And then finally, I have created a digital citizenship online safety quiz in a Teams assignment that I want them to complete. So you can see that it provides a way for you to be able to really clearly structure content if that is what you are wanting to do. Now, if we just have a little look at some of the options in here before we look at adding a new module. At the moment, it's not possible to archive modules or to change the order of them, but you can, no, you can change the order of them up and down, and you can also delete them. But one really great option is to pin the modules. So if there's a module that you're wanting students to particularly work on, you can pin it and then it will appear at the top for them. So if you've got a number, you can go in just before you're ready to work with this on the students, pin it, and when they go into their classwork, it will appear at the top. There's also options to edit the module, obviously, as well. So look, if when we're adding one, we can either add a new module, we can reuse an existing one, but we're going to add a new one. Quite simple. It's as simple as adding a name and a description and saving. And then we'll have this option to be able to add resources. Now, one of the really great features of Classwork is that initially these modules are in draft form. So until I publish with the publish button, my students can't see it. But really, it's as simple as adding files, which I can upload, or I can grab from my cloud files. I can create and add an assignment. I can add something from my class notebook. I can add a link. What I can do, or add a channel, if I just add a channel, and I might just add the homework channel because maybe this module is about homework. What I can do with most of these when I've added is I can click on the ellipses and edit the display name. So that's what I've done with these ones. So you can say that you need to comment about your passion project topic. Um, on the page. And so that is how we can really effectively structure that work and sequence it for students. So like I said, we need to take that pedagogy first approach, especially with classwork, because it's not going to work for every single thing that you're doing. But certainly if there is something that you're wanting to work with students on that is very structured, it has a number of tasks that you want them to complete, classwork is potentially a really great option.